If you want to know how to fix a TikTok filter not showing, you've come to the right place. So in order to show the process, we just simply need to open our TikTok. And if I'm going to create something, I can easily use some filters. For example, I can easily switch between them. And as you can see, everything is changing. So I fixed this program successfully. And you can do the same. All the steps are quite simple. We need to open our App Store or Google Play first, and here search for Snapchat. Basically not Snapchat, but TikTok. And we need to check, do we have a latest version of this app? So you have like only open button. If you don't have a latest version, sometimes you won't be able to use all the features because old versions are not supported by TikTok. So make sure to download the latest version here. After that, go to settings, open general and go to iPhone storage. On the iPhone, on the Android, it may look a little bit different, but here we need to open TikTok parameters and search for TikTok right up here. And as you can see, I have the option to offload app. So it will delete the app, but keep its documents in data. And what's important, we need to click on offload, and after that, instead of offload, we'll receive reinstall option. So we need to reinstall basically all the app, and after that our problem will be automatically solved. So this is a way of how to fix TikTok filter not showing. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.